All right, guys, this is our hit parade. Go Luka Graded Edition Series 3 10-box case random card break. We got 10 spots here, so everybody gets themselves at least one Luka card. This is numbered 1 out of 10, case number 1 out of 10. See, it's still sealed right there for you guys. What we're going to do here, we're going to break open this case, get all the boxes lined up. Then we're going to open all 10 boxes, see all the cool stuff we get in there, and then we'll randomize the list of names and then all the hits. Real quick, though, so everyone knows who's in the break, let's take a quick look right here. We got Brian, Daniel, Josh, Kyle's got himself a few spots, Michael H., Michael W., Ricardo, and Rob. I'm going to open all the boxes first. Going to see all the cool Lukas we get. And then we'll randomize the names, randomize the hits, and everyone will be walking away with a Luka. What's not to love about that? Everyone gets a Luka? I sure would love a Luka. All right. Good luck, guys. Let's get to it. Graded Luka Edition Series 3 10-spot random hit break right here. Box number 1 out of 10. Number 1. Let's see if we can get some good stuff in here. Good luck, guys. There's our Lukas. There's our Lukas. Now, do you think it'll cooperate and they will all open for me? Oh, they're not. They don't want to cooperate at all. There's a couple. Yeah, we only got 2 that wanted to cooperate, but that's alright. Get our stack going right there. Try to keep it all on camera for you guys. Just 2 more buried in there. There we go. Alright. Get that box out of here. Because we care about these boxes. These are the ones we care about. Let's see if we can get some of those big hits. Always love seeing that. Here's the 10 boxes right here. We'll go 1 at a time. I will show the number of each box as well. So that way when we randomize, it'll have the number as well as whatever the card is. Starting off here with 38 out of 100. Series 3, 38 out of 100. Good luck, everybody, in the Luka case hit break. Should be a lot of fun. Alright, starting off here. I wonder what player we're going to get. How about from 2019? Panini Select. Luka Doncic. White Prism. Mint 9. Panini Select White Prism. Luka Doncic. And that is numbered to 149. Always love to see a numbered Luka. The White Prism looks very good with the Select there. Mint 9. Nice one right there. And that was box 38. So first one we're writing down is the White Prism. I was going to write the player as well, but then I feel like we'll know. 2019 Select. And that is box 38. Box number 38 out of 100. Next one right here. 61. 61 out of 100. $61 out of 100. And from Illusions, we got our first Gem Mint 10. We got our first Gem Mint 10, 2019 Panini Illusions, Luka, Gem Mint 10. Nice one there. Gem Mint 10, Luka Doncic. I do too, Gordog, I do too. A lot of cool stuff in there. I see a lot of cool stuff. Illusions. And that was box numbered 61 for you guys. 61. Got the description and the number of the box. That way there's no confusion after we randomize. 54 out of 100 for this one. Always fun when I get to do a case hit break of one of my favorite players. And how about this? A nice one here from Prism. Luck of the Lottery, Luka Doncic, 9.5 Gem Mint Beckett. 2018-19 Prism, Luck of the Lottery, Luka Doncic. Very cool one there. Luck of the Lottery. And that was numbered 54 out of 100. 54 out of 100. Luck of the Lottery, 2018-19. That's the year you want to get. That's for sure. 46 out of 100. This box cutter is getting worn on me. And from 2018 Chronicles, that's our rookie Luka. Panini Crusade. Mint 9 Chronicles, Luka Doncic. Always love seeing a rookie Luka in there. Nice one right there. 2018 Chronicles. Crusade. And that is 46 out of 100. Box numbered 46 for you guys. How about number 19 out of 100 next? Out of 100. And from 2019 Don Ross Optic, we got a Gem Mint 10. Another Gem Mint 10. Red Wave, Luka Doncic. Don Ross Optic, Gem Mint 10. Luka. Nice one right there. And that was numbered 19. 19 out of 100. All right, halfway through the break. Numbered 74. Starting off here from 2019 Chronicles, another Gem Mint 10. It's going to be 2019 Chronicles, Gem Mint 10, Luka. And I believe that is from Essentials. Nice gem mint 10 Luka from Chronicles. And that was numbered 74. 74 out of 100. All right, next one here. Number 99 out of 100. And from one of my favorite sets, Mosaic. 2019 Mosaic, Luka Doncic, Gem Mint 10. Always love the look of the Mosaic cards. Camera doesn't even do it justice for just how reflective they are. Gorgeous looking card. Gem Mint 10 from Mosaic, Luka Doncic. How you doing, DH? And that is number 99 out of 100. Mosaic. We got 26 out of 100 now. 26 out of 100. See if we can find one of those big hits. Although I will say with Luka, every hit's a good hit, especially for me. I love Luka. We got 2019 Donruss Optic Gem Mint 10. Fanatics version Luka Gem Mint 10. Nice one right there. Donruss Optic. Fanatics. And that was number 26. 26. Yeah, I did one earlier, I believe, a couple weeks ago, Gordog, with Mahomes. I think we did a Mahomes one. It's very cool. I mean, a lot of cool stuff. Obviously, everyone's looking, hoping to get those rookies, those low numbers. But when you get superstars like this, there's never a bad one, especially with these when they're all graded. This is number 2 out of 100. And Luka, he's going to be one of the best basketball players for a long time to come, as well as Mahomes for QBs. Yeah, they're putting some more up on the site, which I always love, because I do love these products. I kind of really like the idea of the superstar players getting their own exclusive products. And here we go. From 2018, we got a rookie. 2018 Chronicles Studio Luka Doncic, Mint 9. Nice rookie there, 2018 Chronicles. Good morning, Bob. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? I appreciate that, Gordog. That's what I'm trying to do. I would love to pull fire for everyone. And this is Chronicles Studio. I don't know if I said that earlier. And it's number 2. 2 out of 100. I'll show you guys the list before we randomize anyways, just so you all see it. And we got 81 out of 100. Darth, give me a few minutes on that. Sean is actually out sick. He's working from home. So, I gotta ask Mr. Boss Man. And this is 81 out of 100, if I didn't mention it. And from 2019 Donruss, how about Marvels, Mint 9. The Marvels. Looks very cool right there. Kind of the old school style right there. Kind of like he's on a comic. Luka Doncic, basically a superhero. Everyone loves Luka. That's one thing I love about Luka. He's a great player, but he's also super, super likable. I always gravitate towards those type of athletes. And that's 81 out of 100. And I don't know if any of you guys follow Mavericks on social media, but when Luka and Boban Marjanovic, you know Boban, a big 7'3" dude, when they get together, it is just, it's pure comedy gold. It's great. All right. Let's get to randomizing, guys. Let's get to randomizing. Because we got to know what you guys get. All right, we did all the boxes here. So we got the names. We're going to randomize the names first, and then we have all the boxes. I have the numbered of each box as well as description of the card, so there's no confusion. Let's start with randomizing the names first, guys. We need 3 or more times on the dice. 3 or more. And 6. I get 6 all the time. I'm not going to complain. 6 works. 6 times. And there's 6 right there. And now comes the fun part. Getting to randomize all of these Lukas and see which one you guys get. Here comes the fun part. We need 3 or more on the dice. 6 times again. I'm telling you guys, they love giving me 6 on here. All right. Got all the Lukas here. 6 times. Good luck to everybody here in the break. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. And there's 6 times right there. Good luck to everybody. Hey, you know what? We got no losers here. Everyone's going home with a Luka. All right. We got Joshua P. You're picking yourself up the Chronicles Studio. Kyle M. You're getting Essentials Chronicles and Luck of the Lottery. Michael W. You're picking yourself up the Fanatics Don Ross Optic. Brian D. You're going home with the Mosaic. Ricardo D. You're getting that really cool looking Red Wave Don Ross Optic. Daniel K. Picking yourself up the White Prism 2019 Select. Rob H. You're getting the Don Ross Marvels. Kyle M. You're getting a nice rookie 2018 Chronicles Crusade. And Michael H. You are getting 2019 Illusions Gem Mint 10. I know there's some other Gem 10s in there, but there's the brief description of them. Got the numbered box as well. Let's see. Let's go over to the side a little bit so you guys can see it. There you go. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Everyone going home with a Luka. What's not to love about that? Alright, guys. I will be uploading this video shortly. I hope you enjoyed our Hit Parade Go Luka Graded Edition Series 3 10-box case random spot break. Alright. Enjoy. Talk to you guys later.